Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2019 Chevy Equinox Premier. This front-wheel drive vehicle only has 16,351 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. This specific Equinox comes with a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine, your back tinted windows, and 19-inch bright machined aluminum wheels. Now, when we go ahead and get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our jet black leather seating with a tan lining throughout the entire vehicle. Now, when it comes to the front, we have our Chevy MyLink radio, our heated seating on both sides, a spot to charge your cell phone, your push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.